One of the things we want to talk about is this product runs great on Macs and iPads. Most of the users we talk to are using an iPad. The console app is free from the iTunes store. Basically, you can mix up to 10 sources into your program. You get 4 that are live and 6 that are on deck that can be brought in. And those 10 sources can be the HDMI jack, input jack on the unit itself, camera links, and/or mobile phones. You can add graphics, lower thirds, special effects, transitions. It's got an onboard audio mixer. I do want to note that the SlingStudio console app is only available for iMacs and Macs. There is not a Windows or Android version available at this time. Let's check out this little video that Jeff came in from SlingStudio, gave us a little look at, and this is a console app demo from Jeff. So thank you very much. Let's roll that, Adam.
Roll it, Jeff.
So this is not very exciting. This is me, but I have 4 cameras on me, and I'm recording. And so imagine if this was a football game and they wanted to, and there's formations, you can see different angles, or a gymnast doing a routine. At any time, the coach can tap this here, and what happens is it pops up all 4 cameras. It jumps back to whatever time you want, whether it's a few seconds or to 10 minutes, and allows you to just easily scrub, go back and forth of what's going on.
Look at that.
And you can even do frame by frame. I guess I should move more so you can see that. And then if you want to see, let's say you want to see camera 2, which is camera 2, all you do is tap camera 2 and it brings up the full view. And then you can scrub that, or you can do frame by frame movement.